Welcome to Cuckoo TV! Yahoo!
Let's learn animal sounds. First one is cow. Here comes Miss Moo. She thinks she's an opera singer, but it's just moo. Come on, Rooster. Uh-oh, Mr. Rooster's yelling again. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Wake up, everyone. Sheep. Look, a sheep with socks and a guitar. Ba-ba rock star. Dog. This silly pup's chasing his tail. Woof, woof, wee! Round and round he goes. Cat. Shh. Sleepy kitty under the tree. Meow, meow. And back to nap time. Duck. Splash. The duck slipped again. Quack, quack. Splat. Horse. Ta-da! Dancing horse on two hooves. Neigh, neigh, ballet. Owl. Who's that hiding in the tree? Hoo-hoo, it's the peekaboo owl. Lion. Big roar from the king. Roar! Oops, he sneezed. Elephant. Here comes the bubble blower. Pawoo, pawoo, soap and giggles everywhere. Parade. And now everybody's here. Moo, quack, woof, what a noisy, silly parade. Are you ready for the animal sound song?
Down
Let's
the lane
listen.
one sunny day, the animals marched in a funny way. They each made a sound so silly and loud. Let's listen together. Oh, what a crowd. Rita the cow said moo, moo, moo. She tried to sing opera but only mooed through.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
The rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo. He woke up the pig who said, "Not you." The sheep said, "Ba, ba, ba." She wore funny socks and played a guitar. The dog barked, woof, woof, woof. Then chased his own tail and went poof, poof. The cat meowed, meow, meow, me. Then sipped more milk under a tree. The duck quack, 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 quack. He slipped on a puddle and fell on his back. Like the horse neighed, neigh, neigh, neigh. He danced on two hooves in a silly ballet. Hoo, the owl hooted, hoo, hoo, hoo. He winked at the crowd and said, "Peekaboo!"
Shine the light and roar, 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 roar.
But then he sneezed loudly, "Achoo!" Bizarre! The elephant trumpeted, "Pawoo, pawoo." He sprayed the crowd with water and soap bubbles too. The animal parade was noisy and bright. Their sounds made the children giggle with delight. Remember these voices, loud and true, so next time you hear them, you'll know who's who.
I hope you have enjoyed the song. For more funny videos, please like, share, and subscribe.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.